what's up everyone? Richard back this week, Mr. Cigar Enthusiast. Before I start today's review, I just want to thank all my friends and subscribers out there for tuning in to my channel, and I hope everyone's enjoying it. I hope everyone had a great weekend. Yesterday was Super Bowl weekend, so I'm sure like a lot of people out there were watching the big game, and I just want to say congratulations to the New Orleans Saints. They were definitely the underdogs, but they won it all. They won the big game. They won the Vince Lombardi Trophy. So if there's any New Orleans fans out there, they're probably still celebrating right now. So best way to celebrate your team winning the big game is having a nice nice cigar. So I hope some New Orleans fans will catch this video. They'll run out and grab a cigar to celebrate the Saints' big victory. So let's get the ball rolling. Today the cigar I'm going to be talking about is the Partagas Black Label Classico Robusto. Now I gotta say, when I first took this cigar out of the box, I was amazed at how heavy it was. It's a really hefty cigar. Probably one of the the beefiest Robustos I've had in a long time. You can feel the heft. You can feel the nice weight of it. It's about 5 1/4 inches long. Has a 54 ring gauge, so that's a nice fat Robusto. You'll be smoking it for a long time, and you'll just be amazed at the heft and the heaviness of this cigar. So it has like a lot of different blends of tobacco, and it's packed really tight. So everyone's going to enjoy this cigar. Medium to full body blend. So if you're a fan of medium to full bodied Robustos, I definitely suggest you pick this one up. This is an excellent cigar. It had nice aromas of pepper, cedar. Had some nice wonderful blend of spices in there as well. So as soon as you take it out of the cellophane, the aroma is going to hit you right in the face. So you're absolutely, you're going to love this cigar for sure. Another thing I noticed about this cigar is how beautiful the Maduro wrapper was. The wrapper was so dark, it was almost black. Hence the name Partagas Black Label. This is probably one of the darkest Robustos I've smoked, since I started smoking cigars. So, that's what really drew me to this cigar when I saw it, and I wanted to buy it, how dark the wrapper was, As I've said in my other videos, I'm a huge, fan of the dark wrapper. So, I prepared a little clip of the cigar, so let's have a look. So, as you saw from the clip I had, like I said, it had a beautiful dark Maduro wrapper. It was the wrapper's almost black, and you'll notice the beautiful white ash. So the quality of tobacco is really up there. Partagas, they do an excellent job with their cigars. You're definitely going to fall in love with this Robusto. Like I said, it's got a nice heft to it. It's nice and heavy. It's a thick Robusto. So you can spend at least an hour smoking this cigar. So if you've got some time to spare, you're relaxing at home, definitely pick this cigar up. It had a great even draw, not too cool to the lips, and it wasn't too hot either. So, the draw is something that you really have to look out for when you're picking out a nice cigar. As I've said before, if it draws too quickly, it's going to be too hot on the lips, so you're not going to enjoy it as much. The taste, the taste is amazing. Had a nice, strong, spicy flavor to it. So, as I said, medium to full-bodied cigar. So if you're not used to the full body, like I said, just work your way up. Don't pick up this cigar if you think it's going to make you queasy or if you're not going to enjoy it. A little bit of cigar history for you history buffs out there. In 1961, Ramon Cifuentes Torreno lost his Partagas factory to Fidel Castro's troops. So it had taken him a long time to recover. 18 years later, he was able to move his cigar factories and cigar production to the Dominican Republic. So, and ever since then, he's been really successful, Partagas family. So that's a little bit of FYI for you history buffs out there. So as I said, what else can I say about this cigar? It's an amazing cigar. Nice dark wrapper, almost black, medium to full bodied. The box run me about $80 US. So if you want to go out and buy one cigar, it'll probably run you between $5 to $6. So I definitely suggest you run out and grab this cigar. It's probably, I know I've said this in past videos, but this cigar is probably the best medium to full bodied Robusto I've had, going so far. So, definitely run out and grab it. So, that's all the time I have for today. So I hope everyone enjoyed my video, and I hope, like I said, all you New Orleans fans, you're still celebrating the Saints, huge victory, Super Bowl champions. So, don't worry, fans, I'll be back next week with another review. So,